Hey there, amazing viewers! Welcome back to our channel. It's a beautiful day to explore the exciting world of renewable energy stocks. You might be wondering, why renewable energy stocks? Well, let's start from the beginning. Imagine a world where the air is clean, the waters are pure, and the energy we use is generated from the sun, wind, and water. Sounds like a utopia, doesn't it? But it's not just a dream. It's a reality that we're slowly but surely moving towards. And one of the ways we can expedite this transition is through renewable energy stocks. Renewable energy is not only good for the environment, but it's also good for the economy. It's a sector that's growing at an impressive pace, presenting a plethora of opportunities for investors. When you invest in renewable energy stocks, you're not just making a financial investment, you're making an investment in our planet's future. You see, renewable energy companies need capital to research, develop, and deploy their technologies. And that's where stocks come into the picture. When you purchase a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. You're providing them with the funds they need to grow. In return, as the company flourishes, so does your investment. But it's not just about the money, it's about being part of something bigger. It's about supporting companies that are working towards creating a sustainable future. It's about making a positive impact on the world while potentially enhancing your financial future. So are you ready to dive into the world of renewable energy stocks? Are you ready to make an investment that could help shape a greener and cleaner future? If the answer is yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore different types of renewable energy stocks, from solar to wind to hydropower. We'll talk about why these sectors are booming, how they work, and how you can get started with investing in them. So stick around because we're just getting started. Renewable energy stocks. Let's break it down. Scene script. Solar energy, folks. It's not just for environmental enthusiasts, it's a gold mine for investors too. Imagine a world where every rooftop gleams with the shine of solar panels, where vast tracts of barren land bloom into thriving solar farms, and where the sun's energy powers our everyday lives. This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel, it's the reality we're moving towards, and solar energy is at the forefront of this revolution. The sun, that giant ball of hot plasma at the center of our solar system, is an abundant source of clean and renewable energy. Every hour, the sun beams enough energy onto Earth to meet our global energy needs for an entire year. The potential is immense, and we've just begun to tap into it. Now let's talk about the growth of the solar sector. Over the past decade, solar power has grown exponentially, becoming one of the fastest growing sources of new energy worldwide. Advances in technology have made solar panels cheaper and more efficient, making solar energy an increasingly viable alternative to fossil fuels. But what's the buzz about solar stocks? Well, as the solar sector grows, so does the value of companies operating within it. Solar stocks have seen impressive returns over the past few years. And the trend is set to continue, with experts predicting even stronger growth in the coming years. Investing in solar energy stocks is more than just a financial decision. It's a vote for a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. It's a way to contribute to the global shift towards renewable energy, reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, and fight against climate change. And the best part? It comes with the potential for substantial financial gains. Solar energy is a bright spot in the renewable energy landscape. It's a sector that's not just shining with potential, but also delivering solid performance. And as an investor, you have the opportunity to be part of this exciting journey. Investing in solar stocks means supporting the shift towards a sustainable future while potentially boosting your financial future. Now let's talk hydropower. Water, a powerful force harnessed to generate electricity. Imagine a river endlessly flowing, cascading with energy. We found ways to tap into that energy, and voila! We have hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is not new. In fact, it's been around for over a century, but what makes it so vital in our modern world? It's reliable. Unlike solar and wind energy, which depend on the whims of weather, hydroelectric power flows as long as the rivers do. It's like having an energy source that never sleeps, but there's more to it. Hydroelectric power is green. It doesn't spew out carbon emissions. It doesn't contribute to global warming. It's just water doing its thing, and we're along for the ride. Now you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there's always a catch, isn't there? Hydroelectric dams can be expensive to build, and they can have environmental impacts. But the industry is evolving. finding ways to minimize these impacts and maximize efficiency. So where does that leave us? With a golden opportunity. Hydroelectric power is a sector with room to grow. It's ripe for investment. Companies around the world are harnessing the power of water. And they need backers. They need believers. They need you. Think about it. You're investing in a technology that stood the test of time. That's reliable. That's green. And in doing so, you're helping to shape a sustainable future. You're making a difference. But let's not forget, you're also potentially making a profit. The renewable energy market is booming, and hydroelectric power is a significant player in that market. It's an opportunity to ride the wave of renewable energy profitability. Investing in hydroelectric stocks is like riding the wave of renewable energy profitability. It's an investment in the planet, in the future, and in your financial health. So, are you ready to dive in? Wind energy, it's not just for poetic landscapes. Imagine colossal wind turbines standing tall and proud, their blades slicing through the air, converting the power of the wind into electricity. It's a scene of not just beauty, but of potential. Potential for a cleaner world and potential for profitable investment. Today, we're delving into the dynamic world of wind energy stocks. As technology advances, wind energy is becoming an increasingly attractive investment opportunity. Wind turbines are getting more efficient, and costs are going down. Just a decade ago, wind energy was considered a novelty, a nice idea, but not practical for large-scale production. Now, it's a major player in the renewable energy sector, powering millions of homes and businesses around the world. Investing in wind energy stocks is a way to tap into this growing market. Companies in this sector are developing more efficient turbines, exploring offshore wind farms, and finding new ways to store and distribute the power generated. As these technologies improve, so does the profitability of these companies. And as an investor, that's where you come in. You're not just buying a stock, you're buying a piece of the future. A future where energy is clean, renewable, and abundant. A future where our reliance on fossil fuels is a thing of the past. And let's not forget, a future where your investments could see substantial returns. But as with any investment, it's important to do your homework. Look at the company's financials, their growth potential, their management team. Consider the political and economic climate and the potential risks and rewards. And always consult with a financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. Investing in wind energy stocks? You might just find yourself on a path to a breezier financial future. It's not just about the potential financial gain, it's about being part of something bigger. It's about contributing to a sustainable future for ourselves, our children, and generations to come. So let's catch the wind and let it guide us towards a brighter, cleaner, and more prosperous future. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I start investing in renewable energy stocks? Well, you're in the right place. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll be navigating this green investment landscape with ease. First off, research is key. Familiarize yourself with the renewable energy sector. Understand the different types of renewable energy: solar, wind, hydro, and others. Each has its own set of dynamics, growth prospects, and challenges. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Next, keep an eye on market trends. The renewable energy sector is rapidly evolving, with new technologies and policies shaping its future. Stay updated with industry news, technological advancements, and government policies related to renewable energy. This will help you identify potential investment opportunities and understand the risks involved. Don't forget, investing is not a solo journey. Consider consulting with a financial advisor. They can provide valuable insights, help you understand complex financial data, and guide you in making decisions that align with your financial goals. And finally, patience is key. Investing in renewable energy is a long-term game. It may take time for your investments to bear fruit, but remember, you're not just investing for financial returns. You're contributing to a greener and more sustainable future. So there you have it, a basic guide to getting started with renewable energy investments. It's a journey filled with opportunities to grow your wealth and make a positive impact on the world. So why wait? Dive in and start exploring the world of renewable energy investments. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel. We're committed to bringing you more insightful content on smart investing and sustainability. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for being part of our community. Together, we can make a difference. Let's continue this journey towards a greener and more prosperous